Have you ever encountered this problem when you are doing some voice recording, filming, or interview? You just realize all your sound, all your voices are concentrated to either the left hand or the right hand side of the entire voice balance. This is very distracting, especially if you are viewing this video or this interview. All you care about is how come the sound is not right. So today I'm gonna show you a very simple solution to fix this problem with Final Cut Pro 10. And this is just an example, a simulation of an iPhone recorded clip or whichever recorded clip that is not balanced with voice. And previously I've noticed that the iPhone recording has only one channel. I think it's on the left, and when you drag it onto DaVinci Resolve or Final Cut Pro, you realize that the voice is shifted all the way to one side. So let's play this short clip and have a gist of what is happening. Have you ever encountered this problem when you're doing some voice recording, an interview, a short video clip? Yep, as you notice that everything is all the way to the left. And to solve this problem is really simple. What you need to do is go to the inspector over here and just select the voiced one, this tab. All you need to do is come here, you see the dialog over here and choose dual mono. So basically just purely focused on the left channel and make it the center channel, so you don't have to worry about the balance of left or right. Actually, this kind of works with other interviews as well. So basically, if you have some interviews that the voice is all the way to the left, maybe you can try make it a mono channel, or else you can balance it up with another way, which I'll show you later. But after I've already balanced the dual mono, let's hear what it sounds like from the beginning. Have you ever encountered this problem when you're doing some voice recording, an interview? Yep, that is all you need to do. Very simple. So remember, instead of choosing stereo, if you're using iPhone recorded videos or short clips or movies or voice memos, remember to change to dual mono and it solves your problem. In this example, instead of audio, it's actually a video. Let's hear how it sounds. Have you ever encountered this problem when you're doing some voice recording, an interview, a short? Yep, it's all the way to the right. It still has a little bit on its left, middle, and back. It is not all the way concentrated to the right. So how can we solve this problem? Let's click on this clip and then come to here. There's a pen, and for me I'll just use circle. And just now what we feel about the voice is about something like this. So instead of this, we are going to change it over to the left hand side, and let's play it again. Have you ever encountered this problem when you're now it's a little bit too much to the left, so maybe a little bit like this, and let's play. Have you ever encountered this problem when you're yep, it sounds about right, but there is an amount option, so you can change a little bit more or a little bit less, and you can even for creativity use the keyframe and play around with that to create sort of a circling surround sound. And yep, that's all you need to do to balance it out if you have a recording, an interview that is sort of concentrated, but in fact it's actually a spectrum and it's a little bit tilted to the right or tilted to the left. And that's all you need to do to solve this problem. And yep, that's pretty much the solution of today's problem and the entire tutorial of today. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and remember to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Any questions, just drop me a comment, and I appreciate your support. Bye bye.